arrive in style with this Dodge 2020 Journey Crossroad. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, Vice White, Quick Order Package 22S included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, Mopper all-weather group included, Mopper cargo tray, Mopper splash guards, Mopper door swivel guards, Mopper slush mats, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, black leather seats with sport mesh inserts, front-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.